So there's crazy news about Bitcoin from the European Central Bank, and we're going to be talking about what that news is. This news is about to be crazy. We are about to see huge price changes in Bitcoin after this announcement. So we just have seen a new article coming from the ECB itself, or the European Central Bank, and we're going to be talking about what they say and what they mean in that article. We're just going to go over what the conclusion of that article is. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen, and as you can see, I'm just on Google, and if you look up ECB Bitcoin, you can already see the latest news, top stories. There's a lot of stuff going on with this, and ECB's economics say Bitcoin fails to become global decentralized digital currency. So ECB has a lot to say. We're gonna take a look at the official articles right here, posted 4 days ago. Let's look at what's going on here. So let's just accept cookies. So on January 10th, this is basically the ETF approval, that even that the ETF is approved, there is still some improvement. And it says, we argue that Bitcoin has failed to fulfill its original promise to become a global decentralized digital currency. We also showed that Bitcoin's second promise to become a financial asset, the value of which would inevitably continue to rise, was equally wrong. We warned about the risk of society and the environment if the Bitcoin lobby managed to relaunch a bubble with the unintended help of legislators who could give a perceived blessing where a ban would be required. So this is basically explaining why Bitcoin has failed to become a global decentralized cryptocurrency. So today, Bitcoin transactions are still inconvenient, slow, and costly. Outside the darknet, the hidden part of the internet could be used for criminal activities. It is hardly used for payments at all. So the regulatory initiatives to combat the large-scale use of Bitcoin's network by criminals have not been successful yet. Even the full sponsoring by the government in El Salvador, which granted it legal tendered status and tried hard to kick off network effects through the initial Bitcoin gift of $30 in free Bitcoin to citizens, would not establish it as a successful means of payment. So what they're arguing is that Bitcoin just could not be a regular form of payment. It's not that I'm gonna send you this much dollar in Bitcoin. It is not used that at all, hardly used in that, but it is used for other criminal activities in the United States and all over the world. And because since this is anonymous, we can't really tell who's making those payments. So it is a good option to be used in criminal activity. So that's what they're basically they are arguing. Likewise, Bitcoin is still not suitable as an investment. It does not generate any cash flows, unlike real estate or dividends. Stocks cannot be used productively like commodities, and offers no social benefit like gold jewelry or subjective appreciation based on outstanding abilities, work of art. Less financial knowledgeable retail investors are attacked by the fear of missing out, leading them to potentially lose their money. And the mining of Bitcoin using the proof of work mechanism continues to pollute the environment on the same scale as entire countries, with higher Bitcoin prices implying higher energy consumption, as higher costs can be covered by miners. So they have put out multiple things arguing how Bitcoin is basically not reliable at all, and how it could not be a global decentralized cryptocurrency basically. So that's what the ECB is arguing, and they have denied to make it their global decentralized digital currency. So that was basically it. There is no they're saying there's no fair value, this and that, and we talked about everything in this video. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about how the ECB is saying that Bitcoin is not a reliable currency. It has nothing to do with the overall social status of the world, and basically we talked about what points they have given in this video. And if you did enjoy, do make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, and I talk about everything latest in the cryptocurrency community, any recent news that we are seeing. So basically do make sure to tune in that live stream daily. And I also create long form content like this, talking about any recent crypto news, anything latest happening right now. So do make sure to check out those videos out also. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.